Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the picture or logo where the logo for portfolio income is, and this is a print-on-demand slogan, sayings, and logos, sayings, and uh, so you put them on your t-shirts, your hats, your t-shirts, hats. Um, what else? Hoodies and jackets and anything else you can think of, right? And these are the your logos, your slogans, and your sayings, right? That you come up with, right? And I'm going to where I'm going to teaching you here and showing you how simple it is to come up with these slogans and it's really simple. And logos and sayings, it's really simple. So and I recommend Printful because they teach you what to do. They show you everything how it's done, and they give you they start you off for free. See, so you don't have to pay for anything here, and you get to and you get to the advantage of an opportunity to tap into a passive income. Okay, and this is what you want to do. But keep your earned income in the meantime, and then tap into this passive system. And don't cry over the losers. Chuck them out. Put new ones up. Pretty soon you'll have a portfolio of of winners, and those winners will pay you. That's what will happen. And soon enough you'll have a lot of winners, and you'll be able to replace your earned income job, which is the worst and highest tax that there is. So. And that's how it is. I mean, people don't understand this, but anyway, um, let's get on with it, and we'll start and we'll go with some more slogans, shall we? Let's have a look here. So, yeah, this is another one that I know. And that one's very true. Poor people invest in liabilities they think are assets. See, that's what they do. That's true too. They think their house is an asset when it's not. It's an asset for the bank. But of course, the bank calls it an asset. Yeah, because it's their asset. See, that's where that one comes in. Uh, yeah. See, so um, and and it's a liability to the one who's got the mortgage. You see, and even after the mortgage is paid for, it's still a liability. An asset is something that pays you. A liability is something that doesn't. That's the thing. And then and the house they live in doesn't pay anything. So that's how that one works, right? Okay, so just remember these things. They had see just I just came up with that just right there, right? And I mean, see, portfolio is another one. Um, oh, there we go. We made a mistake, but that's all right. Oh, another mistake. Okay, it's going to be like that. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so portfolio income. It is. Uh, oh, okay, we've made a mistake there too. Okay, this is what we seem to be doing at the moment. Okay, that's fine. There we go. That's better. Um, oh, there we go. There's another one. See, another one. That's true. portfolio income is highly volatile, especially if you've got if you're doing the wrong kind of you got the wrong kind of thing in your portfolio. You know, you fill it up with stocks and bonds and mutual funds. Well, then it's going to be volatile. That's it. You know, it's going to be incredibly volatile, and you can. And when the government, with the corporation that calls itself government, comes to take its bite, it was going to bite you hard. See why? Because there's no work involved. You see. Okay, there's a little bit of work involved with the Printful system, but it's not a lot. It's certainly nothing like your JOB, which means just on break, by the way, you know. And you've got no show of getting ahead there. No, not a hope in hell, you know. I mean, you know. And I'm going to put something else here because this is the last one, you know, and people don't understand because they don't. They just don't, you know. There's another one here. Yeah, there you go. There's one there. Oh, this is a real controversial one. This one, screwed by your own thinking, which isn't yours. What a dilemma. But someone else's. It's someone else's thinking. But you haven't had a creative thought in your life. You see what a dilemma that is. See, it's not yours. It's someone else's. You believe what you believe, and you think it's you that's thinking that, and that it's your belief. But now you've just adopted what the company that calls itself government, right, has told you to believe through the academic school system, which has no purpose in commerce, no standing in commerce, you know, and teaches you to get a job. You're just on broke, you know, teaches you to be just on broke. So then they can get the best return, the best profits, you know, on their investment, best return on their investment. You see, that's it in you as an employee. You see, I mean, you got to know these stuff, eh? So screwed by your own thinking, which isn't yours. See, so that's what that has through the school system, which is academic and is of no value in commerce, right? Okay, has no value. You know, the degrees now are not worth a damn thing. You know, people don't. You know, the bosses now are really, really, really getting pedantic. They don't want somebody with a degree. They want someone with some experience, somebody who can think. You know, and then book is think and grow rich. The trouble with most people, 96%, is they don't think. You know, see, because they believe in government. Because they're stupid, right? That's it. That's just how it is. It's really like this. So how long did it take me to come up with these three slogans? Poor people invest in liabilities they think are assets. Oh yeah, that's a real truth. That is, they think their house is is an asset. When oh yeah, but whose asset is it? It's the banks, and that's really a liability. It's a liability. You see, it's not an asset. You see, and now a rental property is an asset because someone else is living in it, and someone else is paying the bills. See, that's an asset, right? And you also got capital gains on that. You see. Portfolio income is highly volatile. Yeah, if you're doing stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, definitely. You know, especially stocks that go up, down, sideways. In no good. You know, it's not a good idea. You know, and then there's ones who say, "Oh, you got to blue stocks and all that kind of stuff." Well, same thing happens. You get a crash in the market, man, and then that gets affected as well. And then the other one is screwed by your own thinking, which isn't yours. No, that's someone else's thinking. You know, see, which is usually done through the education system, which is academic, and is the beliefs of which is to get you so you'll get a job. And then there's your parents as well that do the same thing to you. You know, because they say, go, Johnny, just get yourself a safe, secure job. Well, you know, there's no such thing. See, not today. You know, with COVID-19, anybody with anything between their ears knows that one. You see, so You know, I mean, there you go. And I'll show you what I mean about the Printful business, which is really, and this is a secure business, okay? If you do it and you keep doing it and you're consistent with it and you don't quit, right? Because that's where quitters don't win, mate. Quitters never win and winners never quit. You just don't quit. You keep doing it. You chuck out the losers. You get putting more in. You keep doing it. And then you get some winners, and then that's how you build your business. And then you've got this passive income. And that's what you want. Not active, because that's the highest tax. That's good for the corporation that calls itself government, and that's all it's for. They've done it for themselves. See, they've done it to benefit them, right? See, screwed. That's why you're screwed by your own thinking. See, right? So there you have it, right? Well, here was what I mean by this. You see, the minute you do this, right? See, this girl here, she's got a logo there. It's your design here. The minute you put that design on that hoodie, that's your product. It's unique in the marketplace. You know, there's no competition. Why? Because no one else has got your logo. No one. And that's no one's got your logo, got a hoodie with your logo on it. So it's unique. And if someone wants to buy that, and you will find the winners, and that will happen, then you have passive income. And you've got something that there's no competition, and you're protected by copyright law. So there you go. See, see, these things you've never been told about this sort of stuff, right? And here's another thing I'll show you. See, because I know about this stuff, right? You see, you got to know, right? Here's my free account. I told you get a free account from Printful, right? And this is my free account here at Printful. My Printful, see? There it is there, right? And that's my account, right? And then there's the stuff I've got to do, and But for me, I'm doing something else, which is intense. This is why I'm doing all these I'm doing videos for you and all this. It's intense what I'm doing. But if I wasn't doing this, guess what I'd be doing? I'd be doing this one because I know damn well this is a good business. And it's passive and it's it's why it pays you. It's passive income. And there's the best sellers. Look, t-shirts, caps, mugs, which I mentioned, and there's a mat. See the mat there, and they train you. See, there's a challenge there. Then you how to start a print-on-demand business for beginners, and that's what you'll be. But don't worry about it. When you learn something, you've got to remember it takes time. Man, boy, you don't want to be trying to do what I'm doing, right? Oh, mate, I tell you, it's taken me a lot of time and a lot of effort to get where I've got. But hey, it's worth it as far as I'm concerned because it's passive. And see, I'm doing the same thing. I'm practicing what I'm preaching, right? I'm not saying to be, I know a lot of stuff, right? Look at my face. I'm not a young man. I'm not young, and I'm not foolish, right? I've gone through, I've done all my foolish crap. See, so it's, for me, it's not like that now. So there's your fashion guide that tell you what's selling. And there's your Printful Academy where you get to know what you need to do and traffic and all that kind of stuff and articles and all that. So you can learn that and where to put your advertising and all that sort of stuff, or free traffic as well. So and product templates as well. So they show you everything here in this particular business. So because why? Because if you succeed, they succeed. See, that's what it is. And that's how business should be. When you become what do you think is going to happen when you become a winner here? You're going to rave to everybody. Hey, look, don't get involved in Printful business, blah, blah, rah, rah, rah. That's what you're going to do. But only if you persist. See, the test is persistence. It's not like a job, but you persisted with that, especially if you got a degree, which is useless to you. But anyway, but that's all right. You only gave your job, and then you got made redundant, or you got sacked, or you got hurt, and you can't do it no more, or you got sick and you can't do it no more. See, so just remember those four are the enemy of earned income, and they will bust you just like that. And so, but if you get on this, not the case. That's not the case, okay? It's not the case, okay? So we go back to our logos again, and we'll have a look. See, this is the logos we came up with. I came up with these in less than 10 minutes, right? Poor people invest in liabilities. They think are assets. That's true, right? You know what I gave you the example. Portfolio income is highly volatile. Yeah, and I gave you an example for that. Screwed by your own thinking, which isn't yours. And I told you about that. What a dilemma. And it is too. you know, because that's how it is, you know, because the people who want you to do the wrong thing benefit from it, right? That's why that is. Okay, if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in another video in the future. Okay, thank you and bye for now. And get involved in Printful. Come on, do yourself a favor. Work this part-time alongside your earned income job, just on broke, right? And pretty soon you'll be out of your earned income, and you'll have some free time, freedom for yourself and your family. You know, that's what will happen. But you got to persist, okay? And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye for now.